Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to talk about how to start a business, how to start your YouTube channel, how to start any other business that you think. It works in all. It works in all. Now, I'll go straight to the point. If you want to start a business, not because you dreamed that you succeeded in the business in your dream and you just wake up and you start business, it doesn't work like that. You're going to fail and fail woefully. So that is why I'm going to tell you, you need to redefine your idea. You need to sit down and look at what works in that idea, that business idea that you have gotten, that fire that you caught. You need to redefine it. You need to calm down. Let it calm. You need to look into it, think about it, talk about it, look deeply into it, look at your strengths. If you can really do this business, that's why you really need to redefine the idea. You don't just jump into it, because you will not last in that business. Have you also considered doing a franchise? Listen, I just want to tell you, I don't know who you are, I don't know who I'm talking to right now. Not everybody is meant to be a CEO. It's not everybody. Do a franchise and relax your mind. Let other people bear the risk. Your own is the money is coming in. You need to think deeply about your business name, because whatever your business name is will reflect on your business. You need to clarify your target customer. Come close, let me tell you. You need to clarify your target customer. It's not everybody. Everybody is not your target customer. You need to write a business plan. This is where the real deal starts. You need to write a business plan. A business plan will tell if you're going to succeed in this business or you're not going to succeed. Which means you have to do market research. You have to do market research. If you can't do market research, pay me, I will do it for you. If you can't do market research, look for somebody that is into the business and pay them, they will do market research for you. Consider an exit plan. You need to consider an exit plan, which is also in the business plan. But this is very much important. There are points in a business that you need to exit the business. There are points that when the business is not favorable anymore, you need to exit the business. You need to assess your financial plan. Some of you, because you catch the fire, you have an idea of a business, you just rush in and you go borrowing money here and there. And you need to perform a break-even business analysis. I have to bring in the business so that I'll be specific with it. You need to break down the business. You need to analyze it deeper than what people say, deeper than what you see. You need to break it down to the lowest point of knowing if you're going to succeed or you're going to fail. You need to watch your expenses. There are people that when they want to start up a business, they just throw in money. At the end of the day, they did not complete starting up the business and they are broke in between. You need to consider your funding option. You rush in and go and borrow money to start up business. If you don't have 60% to 80% of the money, don't borrow any money to start business, or else you will end up being a broke person for life. Your bank is another thing. You need to choose a good bank that supports startup business. You need to consider and bank with banks that consider startup business. You need to register your business. it is very important for your business to go far and beyond. You need to register your business. And the next one is you need to build a team. Without a team, you cannot do it alone. Even if it's a business that it is just you, even if it's a business that you need to go and buy and sell, at the same time, you need to build a team. You need to brand yourself and your business. You need to brand yourself and your business. I don't need to overemphasize on this. I don't need to talk deeply about this. You need to brand yourself and your business. You need to consider advertising your business. Your immediate family, your immediate environment is not the only people that you should be targeting. You should be targeting far and near. That is why I'm doing this YouTube video for you, because I know you need it very, very, very urgent. So you need to consider advertising your business. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. I love you. Thank you very much. You like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. Adios. Thank you very much.